All right. Good morning from the lodge. This is what it's like in a mosquito net. Gotta make sure that tucked in. It's actually pretty cool in here. This is the only place you can there's no bugs getting in here. As long as you tuck it in, there's no bugs. So you're not gonna get attacked by any weird little things that are gonna bite you. No mosquitoes, no tarantulas. I know y'all seen the tarantula last night. But yep, this is how you get out the mosquito net. Gotta crawl underneath there. Make sure you tuck it back in. My neighbor didn't tuck his mosquito net in and he got Got nobody up top, so I'm able to use this for storage. Got this. All my stuff's up here. Got my boots that I paid too much for. Those are termite mounds. It's kind of how you really know you're deep. I mean, the sloths and the tarantulas and the birds and the river dolphins and the monkeys and all the other shit. Oh, dude, selfie mode is back. Yesterday, my was so wet. It was hard to do anything. But after my phone died last night, I jumped in the river. I kind of videoed it after because I was able to charge it. But dude, this place is wild. We saw bullet ant last night. The ants that Steve-O did. Remember when Steve-O put his hand in a thing full of ants and they bit him? Those are bullet ants. And one of the most painful bites in the world. They're making breakfast right now. I'm about to go get my second cup of coffee. I brought my coffee with leche. This morning I was doing what that girl is doing right now for about an hour. Just kind of sit, smoke a joint, have some coffee on the river. Went swimming in the Amazon rainforest and no caiman bit me, no piranha bit me. Today's the only full day I'm gonna do. I can't decide if I regret it or not. At first I thought this was gonna kind of suck. I slept way better than I thought. Being in that mosquito net is like being in, like you can't hear, you gotta cover up, or at least I do. I cover up everything. Because I'm not taking no malaria pills, even though there's no malaria here, supposedly. But, what was I saying? Yeah, in that mosquito net, you can relax, bro. You can finally just take your shirt off and feel a little bit comfortable. It's not a big... Check out this hueso. Found a nice bone. Found a nice bone. Yeah, so mosquito nets are fire. It's like having your own little pod, like a little pod hostel. That's what basically this is a hostel. There's about 6 or 7 folks here of the European variety, as our most as are most of these foreign travelers. Not a lot of Americans. I saw some Americans in Guatemala last time I was there. Not a lot of Americans out here. So they're making us breakfast. We're gonna do fucking something after this. I want piranha fish. That's the only main thing I really want to do. So I'll let them know that. We got some mosquito bites, the same ones. I didn't get bit yesterday, I don't think. I'm covering up pretty good. And I got my ancient remedies, you heard, that I paid way too much for. Paid way too much for the boots. The headlamp, I apparently got a decent little price on, so that's fire. But, all right, I can show y'all the view from that bench now. Shorty's gone. So check this shit out. I'm gonna jump in later. Hopefully it gets kind of hot. It's looking like it might rain today. So we'll see what ends up happening. I'd really like to piranha fish, but Bob's here. This is where it all goes down. Got the generator in there. So that's where the power comes from. I think it's off right now, or it might be on, but it'll be on from certain times in the day. And then at 9:30, about when the owners or the people that work here come in from taking their bath and getting ready, they shut the lights off and it's off. Only the sounds of the jungle in here. But let's go back inside, see what the plan is for today. All right, you can see everybody's got their skeeter gear on. I'm about to go out. What are we? I don't know what we're doing. It'll be sick though. Let's talk about how it's 2024. And in no country can we make comfortable fucking raining boots. They're always the worst. I even got some gellins in there.
Yeah.
All right, the boat's gone, so we're just gonna walk. Yeah.
This is bismia. Bismia. Nombre. ¿Ya? La resina. Yeah. The local name for the plant that they use now is pichirino. The local name. The people can recognize for it. Pichirino.
Maybe it's staying. What is it?
Yeah. This is for armadillo. Armadillo.
A bird?
An animal.
You never heard of an armadillo?
No armadillo? It's like
We're about to catch some worms and eat them. Live grub worms from the Amazon. Shit.
watch out your face. There's one here.
A suri?
Look at your face.
Oh, my.
Oh, there's a couple.
There is one. This is suri.
This is suri. Bob's here.
For me, like a coconut, eh?
Like a coconut?
Sí.
Salud.
Good? It is?
It does that weird explosion thing, but it does kind of taste like fucking coconut. A little bit. Hey.
You're a veggie. Oh, God.
Oh, you're cleaning it. Mmm.
Try.
Salud.
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 Ja, dein Handy geht nicht. Handy geht's nicht. Ah, doch. Wait. Oh, the consistency. Wait until it plops in your mouth.
It's gonna explode. It's not hot.
Show it again. Okay. Oh, I'm afraid it moves.
Just go.
Just into your mouth. Bite on it.
Coconut.
You want another one, Lucas?
I'll take one more.
Sí. Bon appetito. I see what you mean, yeah. Like a little bit.
You got some
Mine was very coconut.
coconut worm.
Like the consistency.
The second one is much better.
Now I taste often, huh? Yeah.
Wash it down with some water, dude.
Mine was also very good, actually. This was very filled with fat.
I bet a fat one would be kind of tough.
And there's two more.
Yeah, like like a fat potato, you know? Dude, I also just discovered cinematic mode on my phone. So I'm just learning all the new shit. Son puras hormigas, you're saying? This whole hill.
Yes, for the hormigas cortadoras de ojos.
Leaf cutter ants.
It's very small.
This fucking... That's all ants. All of the leaf cutter ants. You could fit in there. I mean, we all could.
A frog.
Frog?
Yes, it's for a frog. We have a bullfrog here. A bullfrog is that big. When they are
Wow.
adult, that big. Big ones. In the night time, they come to sit in here all the time and making noise like whoop, whoop. And the secretion all the body, the poison.
Oh.
And the mosquitoes come to touch to stick to stuck in there.
And
And
then
the
can
skin
you...
they eating. All the ones. Very smart. When you walk in the daytime, you see many friends like armadillos or guinea pig. And the next day, come to work, you can see the jaguar for
Oh,
friends.
wow.
Because we have the jaguar here, but it's very, how do you say, difficult to very rare to see because they are too shy for people now. But many years ago, maybe 20, 30 years, years ago, the people's many accidents can happen with the jaguar, for example. When people go for hunting, for example. So, because normally the people when they take money here, not now, but many years ago, all the people working in the farms, fishing and hunting. But now the people work in the lodges, driving, or sometimes the manager or the people has a lodge, base camp. But years ago, all accidents for anacondas, poisonous snakes, a jungle. Because when people go for hunting, some people walk in the jungle at night, like 3, 4, 5 hours. They start walking around 9 p.m. and they come back about like 2, 3 p.m. With 80%, you can see that. You can see anaconda because they are more small rivers. The water is very dark. Impossible to jump there because the water makes how do you say? Miedo,
pains
you know?
you.
No.
Scared.
Yeah, scared, look into the water very black. You jump there, no way. One for the anaconda, the other one is for leeches.
What was that?
Yep. Se lo lleva para adentro.
Para adentro.
Wow, they're taking the ants, the leaves. Where's another leaf? There's one.
Cae dos más, mira.
Here they come. Here they come, here they come. Pinches mosquitos. Pinches mosquitos. Oh, dude, they got some help. There's 3 or 4 ants. He's gonna take it inside. Bye bye, leaf. Wow.
Mushroom? Mushrooms we have many inside.
Oh.
From all the leaves. Yes? This is enormous. Y todas las hojas and all the dry leaves you see spread around here, small pieces. It's like the queen says, okay, this is not good for you.
Oh.
It's okay, it's not good for you. Take the good ones. Yes?
Picky queen.
Picky queen indeed. Fucking queens.
Strawberry, try. Sure, little bit. Strawberry. Mastica un pedazo y the juice and then dry, right? Like bitter.
When we went on the walk in the morning and we had some, like the juice.
Good.
You almost can see it.
Good touch, good. It's a mom. Yes, Se llama Gabriela Bill Gates. See? I was gonna show you in another country, very big, yes, but it's easy to get in. Yeah, it's beautiful. But the tree, about the English, some people call it giant walking palm tree. Why? Because when the tree needs this, it needs to take the sun, the light, for getting bigger, and also the tree needs the water. The river is over here. Not far from here. It needs everything. That's why the tree. They are coming to this way. You see? They touch ground. Another fresh one there. See? All around for drying and turn the roof on the house. And then when rain, they make it smooth. Ahorita ahí ven adentro.
Classy, sassy. La gente que empieza a coger dinero. what happens if you get bitten by a dog?
You cry.
Oh, there he is.
It's bad.
Oh,
Bad.
24 hours of pain.
Yes. So, for example, and all the food we make a good land too. Lucas, ficus. The trees of ficus, yes? Ficus or ficus, yes. This is a ficus insipida, better. The resin is a medicine here. Vamos, Sophie. Tú puedes, tú puedes. ¿Qué pasó?
I'm wet inside.
What's inside?
No.
You are the one.
You can go. Made it out of that. Well, you know, we're still in the jungle, but I really gotta watch where the fuck I'm going. No mames, way. This.
Down to the water.
Let me get more wet here. We fucking made it.
We made it, guys.
Hell yeah. Got a nice bald eagle. America. Even in the Amazon. I'm just kidding. That's not a bald eagle. I don't think it's a bald eagle. That'd be kind of crazy. It's a little hot for those guys up here. That shit was crazy. Seen all types of shit. I wonder what's next. This is my last night here. My second night and last night. Tomorrow, a boat comes to get us. But we should have 2 more. We should probably go out twice. We'll probably go out 2 more times. If it doesn't rain. Hey, my shit's recording. You can turn it off if that's weird.
What?
I was recording myself. You can turn it off if that's weird. Just like the red button.